Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted partner for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the commodity markets. I'm Ria, and today we are focusing on the chili market, where prices are currently in a crucial phase of consolidation following a volatile period. As of mid-December 2025, chili prices have remained broadly stable across major Indian markets for the third consecutive session. While we've seen a minor easing of about 5 rupees per kilogram for select varieties in the Guntur Mandi, the general sentiment is one of consolidation. Arrivals in Guntur have edged up to approximately 75,000 bags, a modest increase of 5,000 bags that has helped stabilize the immediate supply-demand balance. Similarly, in Telangana, we are seeing firmer inflows, with Khammam reporting around 9,000 bags and Warangal seeing arrivals of 12,000 bags. This slight improvement in near-term supply is acting as a temporary cap on any aggressive price hikes. On the export front, quotations for the popular Teja and Teja Deluxe varieties are holding steady in the range of 155 to 160 rupees per kilogram. After a brief downward correction earlier, these price levels have actually encouraged better domestic buying interest. This value buying at current levels has provided a much-needed floor for spot prices over the last few trading sessions. However, looking at the bigger picture, the fundamentals remain strongly supportive of a firm price trend. This season has been plagued by two major supply-side concerns. First, we are looking at lower acreage, as market data suggests a significant decline in the total area under chili cultivation this year, with many farmers shifting to alternative crops like maize and cotton. Second, we have weather and pest disruptions. Persistent and excessive rainfall across key growing regions in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, combined with fresh outbreaks of blackleaf minor pests, has caused notable crop damage. These yield losses are creating a long-term fear of tight supplies as we move deeper into the season. The coming month could see a major move in chili. Will the supply crunch from lower acreage trigger a massive rally, or will sluggish demand continue to keep prices in this range? For our advanced, proprietary analysis on the specific price levels and the surge or slump forecast for the next 30 days, giving you the analytical edge you need, please contact us. Our number is displayed on your screen and in the description box below. Connect with us for advanced analysis to navigate this complex market. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more market-moving insights, and I'll see you in the
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका,
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।